Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm File Vault is enabled for Macintosh HD, and make sure you have the Apple ID that's linked plus a local admin account. Once done, create a secure backup of your drive time machine or a cloned volume, because recovering keys can alter access. Now, open System Settings and select Privacy and Security, then File Vault. You'll see recovery options. Follow prompts to view or generate a recovery key, and note why you're choosing a personal key versus iCloud storage. Next, decide whether to generate a local recovery key or use iCloud to store it. You choose Control versus Convenience. You click Create Recovery Key, then authenticate with your admin password. This proves you own the device. The system will display a long alphanumeric key. Make sure to copy it exactly. Once copied, store it in a password manager, a secure notes app, or print and lock it physically. This is critical because recovery keys bypass Apple ID recovery in some scenarios. Finally, confirm the recovery key works by checking File Vault status and, if possible, running a controlled recovery test. Don't finalize until you're sure. If you can't find the key later, you can try Apple ID recovery first. If that fails, boot to Recovery OS and use terminal commands or reinstall options to regain access. Make sure to keep multiple, secure copies of the key and rotate it immediately if you suspect compromise. This protects you from permanent lockout and explains why redundancy matters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.